Presenting a pre-owned 2024 Audi RS5. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 2.9-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi is a steal with less than 3,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.